So hey everyone, good morning. Welcome back to another. This is another day. So we are near Ettina Bhuja now. So the whole team is walking there. I'm just following them now. Let's go ahead. So that's the whole team which is going front. So I guess we have 45 minutes. We can travel, like we can trek till wherever it takes within this 45 minutes, and then we gotta stop. So let's go. And the weather just looks amazing. It's all foggy over here. Wherever you see, this is crazy, and everyone's walking. Let's catch up with them. Looks like some thick forest. Crazy. This is crazy. I'm just too excited for the peak. I hope we do it. Whoa, this is crazy. We just had to climb this tube, and people have littered this place. Please do not throw any sort of plastics or water bottles or something. Keep the environment clean, guys. Because if it's green, it looks amazing. This is how it is. It is just amazing. All adventures. And there are some others walking in front. Let's do it. We'll reach the peak, Darshan. What do you say?
Yeah. It's amazing for now.
Oh my god. Wow. This is where we go. We finally are near Ettina Bhuja. So let's go. Yeah. Once again, I'm panting as of now. It's all lush green here. This is pretty amazing workout for the day. Yeah, chalo, let's go to the peak. And here we go. We get some light. We're out from the trees. I guess this would be the first stop point for now. And that's exactly the mountain there somewhere. Come on, another 20 minutes and we'll do it. Okay. Ooh. How's the Josh? Yes, hi! How's the Josh? Hi! Come on, let's do it. From here I guess it should be easy now, Darshan. It's all normal. We'll do it before anyone else does it. It's nice and it's too steep. Around some 60 degrees of elevation and do it. And this is not exactly the best part. The best part would be getting down from here. That's just gonna be amazing. Everyone would have their legs gone numb, and then they start getting down, and this will be a whole other next level. Oh. Let's see how it looks like. Even a peak though. Yes. So we are going ahead and we're catching up with our teammates as well. So let's ask how Darshan is feeling. How's it, Darshan?
Hello. That's a great experience with the trekking, guys. And then actually we can't say anything much here, but then it's a great and awesome feeling. Get down.
Whoa! And so this is the peak, and come on, let's do it. It's another exciting day also. I don't know how many of you guys will be watching this, but if you're doing it, please do visit this place and try completing like from scratch, like till the end. Don't give up in between. Take breaks. Oh my god. Yeah, take some breaks in between, and you guys can go ahead again. Oh, amazing. But I don't know if you guys can have this sort of fog or weather when you guys come. So today is, what is the date today, Darshan?
Okay, Sunday.
Date?
Date is 9.
Yeah, today is 9th of June 2024. This is gonna be one of the memorable experiences. Yeah, so we'll go to the peak and we'll catch up. And everyone's wearing shoes, and I'm wearing these flip-flops. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah. So everything is done and we're going back. Yeah, let's go. All because of my Crocs only. I'm ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಳಿತೀನಿ ಇದು ಜಾರಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಹಾ ನಂದು ಇದಿದೆಯಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಜಾರುತ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಳಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತೀರಾ? ಶೂ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕೊಯ್ಲೆ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಏನೋ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ, ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇದಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ರೋ, ಏನೋ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಫುಲ್ಲು. ಇಳಿಯೋವರೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಒಂದು 10 minutes 25 minutes ಮುಂಚೆ ಏ ಬ್ರೋ ಹೋಗಿ ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. Yes. So this is a bit difficult part. So we let the girls go down first, and then they're going behind them. ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ? ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಧಾನ, ಹುಷಾರ್ ಬ್ರೋ. Everything's done. Come on. Hi. ಬರುವಾಗ ಫುಲ್ ಹೈ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಇರೋದೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. It's all slippery. Josh is gone. Take break. Have some Josh. Everything's done finally, and we're back to the same place again. So this was the difficult part. It's done. And there is nothing much to show now. Yeah, let's get on. This is exactly ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. So my hands are the most dirty ones. Yeah, so everything's done, and we're heading back. So yeah, let's go. And the next plan is to go back to resort, and we'll have some breakfast, and we're heading back to Bangalore. So we are finally done with the trek. Etuna Bhuja is conquered, and next what do we do? We go back, we have breakfast,
Go back and have breakfast, nice,
and then we leave. And then we leave back to we head back to Bangalore.
We'll head back to
Bangalore.